Are you broke and really need to make money using your mobile device? Well, just imagine installing one app, playing a game in it, and making $50 just like that. That will be absolutely amazing. Well, in this video I am going to show you 2 apps which can do exactly that. Moreover, they have other earnings other than playing games, so be sure to check that. These apps are absolutely free to use and are available globally. Lucky enough, both can pay in PayPal money, hence, no credit cards information required. So, make sure you are somewhere silent, put your headphones on, and follow these steps carefully. Anyways, my name is Gift and welcome to the money making family. On this channel we talk about new free money making strategies to make you financially free. Feel free to smash that like button and subscribe. It helps a lot. And please turn on bell notifications so as to be the first person to learn the new money making strategies. Anyways, let's get to the tutorial. I want you to go to the Play Store and search for the app. The name of the app is on the screen. The app will ask you to choose a preferred language and a currency in which you want them to pay you out. After you are done, click Continue. As you can see, you can start earning money and win while playing games. And they are going to pay you in PayPal money. Millions of people are using this app and they have made money with it, and so can you. Now agree to the terms and conditions and press Continue. Once you are in the app, you will see different ways to earn money. Since this is a promo period, there is a free giveaway to users who will be lucky. All you need to do is just join for free. In the first giveaway you can earn $550 free money. And in the second giveaway you can earn $275, going down to $50 and even $5. Sign up for this sweet free money. Who knows, you might be the lucky winner. Now click on the coin icon to see more offers to earn money from. Each day you sign up, you are going to get free coins called Givey coins, which are converted into money. The cover trade is as seen on the screen. You can do surveys and earn money with this app. Simply click on Start under the survey option. Or you can decide to take other offers like downloading apps. For instance, if you download this app you will receive 350 coins. Inviting friends also earns you a couple of points. My favorite and easiest way to earn is playing tic-tac-toe with other users online. And for lovers of maths, you can play the Calculate game. This game will give mathematics quizzes, and you will give correct answers to get credited. It's easy though. Get 100 extra points to associate your Facebook account with this app. It will help you not to lose your points. Anytime you accumulate enough coins, you can convert them into your selected currency. Mine is in dollars. To withdraw, just click on your balance and press Withdraw. Now enter your PayPal address and the amount to cash out. The minimum withdrawal is only 29 cents. That is insane. The other app that is going to pay us real cash to use it is called GrabBucks. Download it for free. The download process will take 1 to 5 seconds. Open it and sign up using your email address. You will be awarded 1,500 points for just signing up. Similar to the other app, there are many ways to start earning. One is the multiplayer. This is a competition on how fast you can type captchas before time runs out. Secondly, you can play one-on-one matches where you compete with another user to type captchas and the winner earns free points. You can also take premium offers or do surveys from different websites. The best part is that you can play over 200 games online without installing their apps and earn. And if you share this app to your social media, you will earn 200 points for each share. To withdraw, just click on Claim and get your money via PayPal. My name is Gift and thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video. I hope to see you on my next one. Peace.